Nick, guess what? You're such a sweet mom.
Yes, everything is made here. So yeah, wow.
Very good. I give you an A. Brought to you by Ascof Lagundi, the #1 Lagundi cough remedy. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Hi, we're here at Glorietta to check out a special event for Sweet Escape. It is called Moments, and it is a special art installation by Sweet Escape.
That's right, and since the moms of Baby Barangay are huge fans of Sweet Escape, we always book them when we travel. We decided to show some love, so guys, let's check it out. Let's go.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I feel like I'm in a Coldplay concert. Ooh, libre! No need for Chris Martin. Dukes, 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 dukes. There's no sound system. You can work it for the Met Gala, Kel. Very camp.
Guys, so I'm finally here, caught up with the girls here at the Sweet Escape Moments booth. So let's go. Hi, good morning. Super nice. This one.
Yeah. This is quite an interesting art installation right in the middle of the mall. You have different rooms to enter, each with its own theme. How cool is that? Ooh, so nice.
The girls and I had so much fun at the Sweet Escape booth today. Such a good experience. You know, Sweet Escape has always been part of our family travels. So don't forget to book Sweet Escape for your next travel adventure. Bye!
You made it!
Fresh out of work, starving. Now that I've arrived and I'm very hungry, we are here at the Canton Club in Molito, Alabang, where we're going to be trying original, traditional Chinese dishes, but in a really cool setting. So, let's go check it out.
Welcome to the Canton Club. So basically our concept is traditional Chinese food but made modern. Because you know how Chinese restaurants here in the Philippines are always like yung mga L'Oreal, it's always like family lang, parang people really like friends don't hang out in all these Chinese restaurants because they always look so formal. So we wanted to bring in like the young hip vibe but still be very homely and very true to the Chinese tradition. So your food will still taste super traditional. It's not a fusion or not contemporary, so you'd still get that authentic Cantonese taste.
They're still talking, but me, time to eat.
This is the signature lunch that comes in this really traditional Chinese. Alright, we're super full and super satisfied. It was a fantastic meal here at
Yes, so if you're here in the Alabang area, go to the Canton Club here in Molito.
And follow them on IG at the Canton Club page.
Alright, join us next time again.
Don't forget to subscribe.